Close your eyes. And with your eyes comfortably closed, just bring your awareness to your breathing. Observe your breath coming in and going out. Breathing in and breathing out. The angels are already here, and they want you to be really present with my words today, as there is a very special message for you specifically, and for some of you to be the torchbearer, to be the spokesperson of this message in the times to come. Change is not always comfortable and mostly resisted or avoided, especially if it is a change that is against the belief system. And many of us, many of the human beings on the planet Earth are implanted with the belief of a illusion of peace, and sometimes human beings takes this illusion of peace, maintains this illusion of peace at the cost of what is right, the cost of what is just, the cost of their own true peace, and the cost of the future. However, nature and universe listens to the human beings and many times helps them to continue the status quo. Yet there comes a time when what is happening cannot continue to keep happening as it is disrupting to the future you are seeking. And thus, the illusion of peace breaks down. And this breakdown may create fear, it may create doubt, it may create panic. Yet, especially when the things become chaotic, especially when the status quo is broken, it is time for you to be really present, to not operate from asking for what is comfortable, and instead ask your spiritual guides, ask the universe, ask the source energy to guide you to get clarity about what will create greater. And right now, that is what is the demand for the world that you are living in. In your personal lives, in your social lives, at the national level, as well as globally, the time has come on the planet where you have to learn to stand for your truth. And if it is required, fight for it. And there are so many divine beings willing to, ready to contribute to you, your family, your nation, your world, for a greater reality that will come out of this. So stay present, stay vigilant, and be very aware of what you're asking. Do not ask for suppression. Many of you are used to hiding the truth, suppressing the truth. You cannot hide it anymore. It will reveal. It will come out. Ask for the clarity. Ask for the clearing. And ask for the reality that is for highest and best for all. And now in this space, let us invoke your spiritual team. So you can repeat with me. I invoke my guardian angels, my spirit guides, and my entire spiritual team, my spirit animals, ancestors, contributing to me, the gods and goddesses, the ascended masters, and the divine beings that I may not yet define or have clarity on, yet are contributing to me. I ask you, I request you to show up in my space and help me get clarity with my personal situations. Help me get protection. Help me get awareness. I seek your guidance and awareness. For whatever is for my highest and best. And now, thank you for being in my space. Expand your awareness beyond your own body to the entire country. Just feel as if your aura has expanded to the entire nation. Feel the vibration of India or the country that you're connected to. And now, let us invoke all the spiritual beings that are in body or without body, across all timelines, space dimensions, and realities that are intentional to contributing to my country. I invoke you all. मैं उन सभी पवित्र आत्माओं का आवाहन करती हूँ या करता हूँ जो मेरे देश के हित के लिए पैदा हुए थे और आज भी मेरे देश के हित के लिए काम कर रहे हैं और वो ऊर्जाएं जो जन्म मरण से परे है पर मेरे देश के हित के लिए इच्छुक है। And I ask all these powerful beings, the freedom fighters of India, the saints of India, all the warriors that has been on the land of India, and all the divine goddesses, beings who have taken birth or beings who have never taken birth but are contributing to India, are intentional to contribute to India. I invoke you all right now to protect my nation, people of my nation, and to contribute to all those people who are in their body and working for the highest and best of my nation. Let what is justice, what is just and true, be activated and actualized in this reality now. Thank you. We are safe. We are protected. We are powerful. We are strong. We are united. And we are, with every breath, working for the highest and best. I ask and request all the divine beings who are the perfect fit to be at the borders of India, to safeguard the nation, the soldiers and the people, to be there and do their magic, do their contribution. And all the intelligent, wise, and higher dimensional beings who are perfect to contribute to the decision makers, to the creators, to the inventors, to be with them, to be the force behind them and within them, to create whatever is required. It is time for consciousness to prevail and sustain on the planet Earth. It is time to rise for the consciousness. And with this prayer and these invocations, I contribute to that consciousness on the planet Earth and to my nation and every being in my country and in my world. Thank you. Thanking all the divine beings contributing. Thanking my spiritual team. Thanking the Mother Earth, the universe. Thanking the Mother India. Thanking my breath, my body, and any and all the beings who contributed to me in all the ways they did. Allow yourself to be present with your physical body. Take a long, deep breath in, integrating yourself in your physical body. Be present right from the top of your head all the way down to the tips of your toes. You can move your hands and your feet a little bit. You can rub your palms, put them on your eyes. And slowly and gradually, as you feel comfortable, you can just open your eyes.